Hello everyone, this is William, and this is Weimarstraße that we're looking at. This is the street on which Manuela lives, and it's a very nice street, and she lives like up there. And Weimarstraße runs into Kantstraße, which is the main street in Charlottenburg. As you see, here it is. It's like a boulevard or with a meridian. There's lots of nice places here, and you can see there's part of the bus system that goes through, that nets through Berlin, and of course there's the U-Bahn and the S-Bahn tram systems and everything like that. But very nice place, and just to make sure that you know you're looking at me. Here I am. I'm doing fine. So see you soon, many of you. Yay! Love ya!